This evil scumbag stabbed his pregnant girlfriend to death after being released from prison for murder. Double murderer Shane March was jailed after he stabbed his pregnant girlfriend to death in London. His first murder was back in January 2000, when he was 21 years old. He fatally stabbed 17-year-old Andre Drummond in the neck at a McDonald's restaurant in Camberwell. He was released on a life license in early 2013. He was recalled to jail later that year after he stamped on the stomach of another pregnant girlfriend in July, and he was released again in February 2018. He also had convictions going as far back as 1995 for assault and criminal damage. By early 2024, Shane March was in a relationship with Alana Odysseos. She knew about his previous murder conviction, and safeguarding checks had been made by probation services. But when Shane said their relationship had ended amicably, no further checks were made. Shane had become increasingly controlling and abusive, accusing Alana of infidelity, and when she became pregnant for him, he demanded she terminate the pregnancy. Alana was in the early stages of pregnancy with her third child, and she told Shane that she doesn't want to kill her baby. On the day of the murder, on the 22nd of July 2024, Shane argued with Alana again about whether to abort their unborn child. He later went to her home in Walthamstow, East London, and stabbed her. Police were alerted by members of the public who found Alana Odysseos outside her home, wearing a nightie and dressing gown and clutching her right side. She was bleeding from multiple stab wounds to her body. She pointed at Shane March, who was standing nearby, and shouted, "Shane stabbed me! He stabbed me! Help! Help!" Shane walked away as Alana Odysseos died on the ground outside her address, despite the best efforts of police and paramedics. She had been stabbed 23 times all over her body, from her chest to her lower legs. Before throwing his mobile phone in a drain, Shane March recorded a voice note saying, "Mum, I just killed a woman, and I'm going back to jail." At 4:41 a.m., staff at Cream's Cafe in Walthamstow called 999 to report that they found a man covered in blood who told them he had killed his wife and child. Following his arrest, Shane told police, "I did it. I killed her. Alana Odysseos. I killed her. Ha 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 ha." He went on to ask to be put in jail, saying, "That's where I belong. I'm scum. I deserve it." He later told a prison officer that he saw red and stabbed his girlfriend with a knife from the kitchen after arguing about a pair of his trainers. Jurors in his trial were not told that he had been convicted of murder before. In court in 2025, 7 days into his trial, Shane March pleaded guilty to the murder after an expert no longer supported his claim of diminished responsibility. He was jailed for life with a minimum term of 42 years. The senior judge rejected calls from Alana Odysseos' family and the prosecution for a whole life order, but said that, given his age, Shane March may never be released from prison. Follow the page and leave a comment on any other criminal cases you'd like to see on the channel.